So we are doing sum up to infinity of a GP sequence. Exercise 9.8. Question number 7. He said find the sum up to infinity of GP. If first term is given 28 and fourth term is given 4 by 49. Now first term is 28 and fourth term means AR cube is given 4 by 49. So solve these two equations. That is, you can divide it AR cube divided by A 4 by 49 and divided by 28. So we got it that R cube is equal to 4 by 1 upon 49 into 7, that is R cube is equal to 1 upon 7 to the power 3. So we got here R is equal to 1 by 7 and A already it is given that A is 28. So we said find S infinity, that is S infinity is A upon 1 minus R. (28) divided by 7 minus 1 6. So 28 into 7. (93 by 3) will be the sum up to infinity of this sequence. Show that, next question, show that in an infinite GP, each term bears a constant ratio to the sum of all the terms that follow it. Just what he is saying is AR square, AR cube, AR4 and so on. He said each term, like if we are taking any term, like suppose we are taking AR divided by each term bears a constant ratio to the sum of all the terms that follow it. So to the sum of all the terms, that is AR square, AR cube, AR4 and so on up to infinity. So this bears a constant ratio, this you need to do. Right? So we'll have to do it in journal. This is, we are taking it 7 term, but we have to do it in journal. Let's take one example for the second term. What it will be? AR divided by, this is GP sequence, first term divided by 1 minus R, sum of GP up to infinity. Right? So we can do it that A and A is cancelled out, R and R is cancelled out, 1 minus R, this will be numerator and denominator is left with R only. So you can see it is constant as R is constant. So this thing is also constant. Now in journal, how you can write it? In journal, you are taking any journal term, that is AR and minus 1. It represents all the terms. Each term bears a constant ratio to the sum of all the terms that follow. Now following of this will be, see, any journal term is AR and minus 1. Its next term will be ARN. Next term will be ARN plus 1 and so on. Multiply RRR. Right? So all the terms that follow it and sum of all those ARN plus 1, ARN plus 2 and so on up to infinity. Now just simplify this. This is AR to the power n minus 1 divided by first term upon 1 minus, common ratio is R. Now you can see A and A cancel out. This is R to the power n, this is R to the power n minus 1. 1 less, so we'll be left with R here and 1 minus R will be in numerator. So again this is a constant. So this bears always a constant ratio. right? Just note it down.